Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best soldering station. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. A soldering station is an essential tool for anyone working with electronics, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. It provides a more controlled and efficient way to solder electronic components, compared to a basic soldering iron. A good soldering station typically includes a soldering iron, a power supply, temperature controls, and often a stand to hold the iron when not in use. These features allow for precise temperature regulation, which is crucial for working with delicate components and ensuring strong, reliable solder joints. Whether you're assembling a circuit board, repairing electronics, or creating custom projects, a quality soldering station can greatly enhance your work's accuracy and safety. Number 5. BAKON BK602 Soldering Station. The BAKON BK602 soldering station is an impressive tool, particularly for those looking for a reliable and efficient soldering experience. Originating from mainland China, this model is a solid example of quality and performance. Right out of the box, the BK602 feels robust and well constructed. The design is user-friendly, featuring a digital display that clearly shows temperature settings, making it easy to adjust the heat precisely. This is a huge plus for both beginners and experienced solderers, as it ensures consistent results across various projects. In terms of performance, the BK602 heats up quickly and maintains temperature stability very well. This is crucial when working on sensitive electronic components, where precision is key. The soldering iron itself is lightweight and comfortable to hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Overall, the BAKON BK602 offers excellent value for its price point. Number 4. JCD 750W Soldering Station. I recently purchased the JCD 750W soldering station, and I am thoroughly impressed with its performance. This soldering station offers a perfect blend of power and precision, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. The 750W power output ensures rapid heating, which significantly reduces waiting time, allowing you to get to work quickly. The station heats up efficiently, and the temperature control is both accurate and easy to adjust, which is critical for handling various types of soldering tasks, including delicate SMD work. One of the standout features is the station's versatility, as it supports both 110V and 220V input voltages, making it adaptable to different regions. The build quality is solid, and the unit feels durable, which gives me confidence that it will last a long time. Additionally, the compact design doesn't take up much space on the workbench, and the interface is user-friendly. Number 3. JCD 8899 Soldering Station. The JCD 8899 soldering station is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile soldering tool. This station stands out due to its powerful hot air gun, which operates at 750W, making it ideal for tasks requiring efficient heat application. The electric soldering iron, with a power range of 80W and adjustable temperature between 180 to 500, offers precise control for detailed soldering work. One of the station's most commendable features is its user-friendliness. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the customizable settings allow you to tailor the device to your specific needs, ensuring that you get the most out of your soldering tasks. The build quality feels robust, reflecting its C certification, and the unit is compact, which is great for those with limited workspace. In terms of performance, the station heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for avoiding damage to sensitive components. The hot air gun is particularly useful for tasks like heat shrinking, desoldering, and even drying paint. Additionally, the JCD 8899's design integrates well with other tools, making it an essential part of any workshop. Number 2. JCD 8586D Soldering Station. The soldering iron heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for precision work. The hot air gun is equally efficient, with adjustable airflow and temperature settings, allowing for controlled and safe operation, whether you're dealing with sensitive components or larger projects. The build quality is solid, and the station is compact, saving valuable workspace. The digital display is clear and easy to read, providing real-time temperature feedback that helps ensure accuracy. The controls are intuitive, making it easy to switch between tools and adjust settings as needed. One of the standout features of the JCD 8586D is its 3-in-1 capability, offering a soldering iron, hot air gun, and BGA workstation in one unit. This versatility is a huge plus, especially for those who need to perform a wide range of tasks. The inclusion of multiple nozzles for the hot air gun adds to its adaptability. Number 1. JCD 2-in-1 750W Soldering Station. The JCD 2-in-1 750W soldering station is a fantastic tool for anyone involved in electronics repair or DE projects. One of its standout features is the combination of a hot air gun and soldering iron in a single unit, making it a versatile and efficient choice for a wide range of tasks. The hot air gun is powerful, with a maximum output of 750 W, and heats up quickly to a range of 100 to 480 degrees centigrade. This is perfect for tasks like desoldering components, heat shrinking, and other applications where controlled airflow is essential. The temperature is easy to adjust, providing great control over the process. The soldering iron is equally impressive, offering a power of 80 W and a temperature range of 180 to 480 degrees centigrade. It heats up rapidly and maintains a steady temperature, which is crucial for precision soldering. The station's digital display is clear and intuitive, making it easy to monitor and adjust temperatures as needed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.